In this class we will learn how to insert hatches, which are representations of the material that will be used in the manufacture of the workpiece and are displayed whenever a cut is performed in one of the project views. Let's open the file provided in this class to see how this feature is applied. Before applying the hatches, let's insert a winding line to represent the cut that will display the inner details of the part. We activate the command spline fit and draw a winding line specifying some points, C. Completing the line path, press Enter to confirm its insertion. Now we have activated the Hachures command, present in the Draw panel of the Home tab. See that a new tab is displayed, the Hatch Creation, with some settings for the hatch. We click on the areas that will receive the hockey and then in this field we choose the type of fill to be employed. In our case, we apply diagonal continuous lines. Here we can modify the angle of inclination of the hack and the scale employed, in addition to applying a transparency factor for filling. In this field we define whether the hatch will be associative, that is, whether it will have the fill updated when the area is modified. We can also choose whether the hasher will have its automated visualization on different scale factors. Once the hatch is configured, we click Close to exit the hatch creation mode, or press Enter to confirm its insertion. Now, to edit an existing Hachure, we click on it and the Hatch Editor tab appears. It presents the same options as the Hachure Creation tab. When the desired changes are made, we click Close or hit Enter. We finished here this lesson, where we learned to apply hatches in our projects, which represent the cut parts of the part and the material to be used in its manufacture.